एक मिनट खत्म कर
Sir, what would you like to say on Pongal?
Really happy. Every year on year, our Honorable Minister Muruganji invites the Honorable Prime Minister to be part of Pongal celebration, and we are honoured. At least we from Tamil Nadu, and of course, being in the party, we are honoured that Pongal is being celebrated, and we are honoured to be present along with the Honorable Prime Minister for Pongal this year.
Sir, the BJP is saying that the Tamil Nadu government is imposing Dravidian culture, Dravidian Pongal in Tamil Nadu. They are taking
Pongal is basically for the Tamil culture. There is no Dravidian Aryan Pongal. Pongal is it's a harvest season. Throughout the country it is celebrated. It is for the farmers of the country. So Pongal is for the farmers. We pray to the sun god. We pray to Bhuma Devi for having given us this yield. That is why Pongal is celebrated. Thank you, sir.
Here at Delhi because, Pongal being celebrated, the center of Delhi at this beautiful place is a great honor for all the Tamil people, and I'm glad that I was invited here. And I did meet the PM, and he was very, his aura is great, and he, with a smiling face, he invited us. We thanked him, and we are happy that we are here.
And what about the controversy, sir? Movie controversy, they are saying that this is propaganda movie and the DMK is the way they are saying. How do you react?
See, I'm saying people will say whatever they think they want to say, but as far as cinema is concerned, it's an entertainment medium. Let's leave it at that. Leave the politics out of it, and it is for the audience. The audience wants some entertainment out of all the stress that they have. Let's not put this film also under stress for them. This is for entertainment. Just look at it as an entertainment purpose, and that's how I've been taught in cinema. That's how I've been grown watching many stars grow up in cinema. So cinema is just entertainment, and whatever good, if you want to take back home, you can take back home, or otherwise just see it for the entertainment value.
Sir, one actor, Mr. Vijay, he is now become a politician. How do you see this? Some controversy he is also facing regarding the Karur scandal and all.
Yes. Yes.
How do you see this?
I mean, as a fan, Vijay Anna's fan, I've always been praying for his success in every way possible, and in every stage I've shown that I'm an ardent fan to him. Forget stage, personally also I have shown him. People don't know. I always wish and pray that there are no more controversies, there are no more problems in his career, and whatever he does, he comes up great.
You want to say you made Prime Minister?
Happy Pongal to everyone. Tamil people are everywhere, all over the world. Pongal wishes to everyone. Let's celebrate this Pongal and let positivity spread among us. Thank you.
What about, sir, your film controversy? Everyone is
No controversy. That is no people are understanding it and taking it in the right way, and what we intended, that's reaching the people, and if they watch the film completely, they will understand it. Thank you. No propaganda. I don't have any propaganda also.
Congress is claiming
No, they will understand it. If they watch the film, maybe or the second time, they will understand it even better. And all of us are brothers, and we are not trying to say anything extra also.
Sir, what about Vijay? Vijay is also actor now. He turns into the politician. How do you see this actor become politician?
I wished him for his political journey. Personally also, and in social media also, and his film it will release soon. Thank you.
One incident happened.
No, I don't want to talk about that. Thank you so much.